How are you guys doing today?
Hello.
Good, good. All right, so we're gonna start by doing a Kong today, okay? And what a Kong is, I'll show you so you know what it looks like. Ideally, you're gonna gallop and end like that, right? So we're gonna start by working on the step to it. All right, so I want one of you guys to start up like this. So your dominant foot's gonna be in front of your non-dominant, and you're gonna place your hands flat, okay? From here, you're gonna take a couple steps back, and then you're gonna run into it, and again, dominant step forward, okay? Let's just try doing that first step. So right, left, right there. Take a couple steps back. Good. Yes, there you go. Okay. Nice. Nice, good. See how he kicked that leg up? That's gonna be really important. Is that leg's gonna create a lot of momentum that are gonna help your hips get through your arms. Okay? So once you come up, Sydney, you're gonna come up here and you're gonna kick that leg up as well. Good, good, good. One more time, one more time. We're gonna go to next progression. There we go. So now, next progression is we're gonna be doing we're gonna be getting our feet, both of our feet on top of the block. So same step up, right? Right here, gallop step. Putting our hands down, lifting our feet, and then our knees are gonna come to our chest, like so. Step, coming to our chest. Okay? We're gonna try to stick it as best we can. So sticking the landing means we're landing on our balls of our feet, knees go out, and we're not moving, okay? Let's try that. There we go. Good. Try and get those hands flat. Next. Nice. Good. Let's do that one more time each. Good, good. Oh, nice. You already got the whole thing down. Wow. All right, so we're going to move to the next block, okay? This block, we're going to start jumping over, okay? So, same step. We're going to gather step, right? And which foot wants to be forward?
Dominant.
Dominant foot, right? Yeah. So, when we come up, we're running up, dominant foot forward, hands are flat, leg kicks up. And for the first time, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna jump onto the block, okay? So we're all comfortable. Coming in, jump onto the block, stick it, jump down, okay? Let's see. Good, good. Good job, good job. Okay, now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna attempt to get our legs all the way through. What's really important on this step is that when we get our hips over, our hands are gonna come up. So I don't want you guys doing something like this, where you go and your legs go through. Okay, because that is a catch. It's a Kong to dash. We're not there yet. We're doing a Kong. So as soon as our knees go to our chest, we're lifting up, and our feet are gonna come down to the ground on the other side. So it's gonna look like this. Gather, step, all the way through. Okay? Any questions?
No.
Okay. Let's see it. There you go. Good job. Good job. Nice. It's also really good. All right, let's do that one more time each. Nice. Good. Remember to lift that foot up on that gather step, okay? All right, now that we have the H block down, we're gonna bring it to the real deal. Okay, right here. What scares most people about doing this is clipping their feet, right? And that's where you fall over and, you know. But what we're gonna do is when we're going over this, we're gonna point our toes. See, my toes are pointed. I want to point my toes so that they glide over. Even if they clip, they're gonna glide over. Okay, they're not hooks, they're gonna glide. Okay, so gather step, same deal, hands flat. Really kick that feet and chest, and you're gonna point. So let's see if everyone can point their foot like that, right? You're gonna come in and point like that. Okay? So let's just do one tuck jump where you point our feet. Okay, so tuck jump, point your feet. Yep, there you go. So we're gonna run into here. Gather step, hands down, kick, point. Go through, okay? And my hands, really important step. They're going from back to front and they're pushing off, okay? This is really gonna help you once we go into Kong prees, Kong cat grabs, Kong any transition move after this. Okay, so let's see. Nice. You do it. Nope. So, you're gonna want to bring your feet to the side. That's like a common thing, but what you want to try and do is really bring those knees to your chest. Okay? We can do it a couple more times there if you want. So, we're gonna have one going here and the other on the next section. Okay. Ready? One at a time. Go ahead, James. Good. Good. Sydney. Good. So you see how see what I did there? I split my legs in the air. We want to try to avoid that, because once we get here, if we see, it's going to be a lot harder to split your legs up there. So from here, well, while you have that gap, what you can try and do is bring your knees to your chest and point them. So as soon as they're here, see how that? Try and point them. Bring both of those knees to your chest. Nice, nice. Let's do that a couple more times and then try and get to this block. James, no sitting in class. Come on.
Sorry, Coach Peter.
Don't tell me I said that.
I'm gonna.
Nice, nice. There we go. Point those toes a little more.